Welcome to Future X Counts YouTube channel. The 2025 Chevrolet Camper Motorhome is here to redefine the way we travel, blending adventure, technology, and home-like comfort into one incredible package. This is not just another motorhome, it's a bold step into the future of road trips and outdoor living. On the outside, the 2025 Chevy Camper Motorhome carries a sleek yet rugged design that's both modern and functional. Its powerful engine, advanced suspension system, and high ground clearance make it versatile enough for both smooth highways and challenging terrains. With upgraded aerodynamics and energy efficiency, this model promises a more sustainable way to explore the world without sacrificing performance. Step inside, and you'll immediately feel the difference. Chevrolet has carefully crafted the interior to feel like a true home on wheels. The spacious layout includes a fully equipped kitchenette with modern appliances, a cozy dining space, comfortable sleeping arrangements, and a stylish lounge area. Large windows and clever storage solutions create a bright, open atmosphere that makes even long journeys feel enjoyable. Tech lovers will appreciate the state-of-the-art entertainment system, smart connectivity features, and advanced climate control. Whether you're working remotely, streaming your favorite shows, or simply relaxing after a day of exploring, the 2025 Chevrolet Camper ensures you stay connected and comfortable wherever you go. Safety is another strong point. With driver assist features, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping support, and enhanced braking systems, you can feel confident taking this motorhome on long road trips with family or friends. What truly sets the 2025 Chevrolet Camper apart is its balance of luxury and practicality. It's built for people who want to chase their wanderlust without giving up the conveniences of modern living. Whether it's a weekend getaway, a cross-country adventure, or full-time van life, this RV is designed to make every mile unforgettable. In this video, we'll give you an in-depth look at why the 2025 Chevrolet Camper Motorhome is being called a dream RV by so many enthusiasts. From its innovative design and cutting-edge technology to its comfort-focused interior, this is the vehicle that takes road travel to a whole new level.